How to buy Elon Musk's official X group token. So this token came under the symbol of monkeys. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund their account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 12 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours, and this token trending number 1 in this Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here as you can see, and open your funds wallet. For that, now make sure to log into your wallet first to be able to buy this token. Now after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar as you can see. And after that, click on your token. Now click I understand, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token as you can see. Now after that, select a provider by clicking on pricing. Click on provider, select a Jupiter. Now click on apply and go back. Now click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Monkeys token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.